Here's Haley's new $200 car we picked up. Needs a little work. Little bumper repair there. A vwdarrin over here. Maybe a door. There's the inside. It's pretty clean. She's been working on it.
Junkyard and pull off another car most likely.
Needs one tire, some brakes.
Yeah, I mean,
can't beat it.
Yeah.
Can't beat it. Can't beat it, huh, Haley?
I was like, does it run? Does it work?
$200 is worth it just to see you smiling outside doing something.
Yeah. Now we just need the license part.
Huh?
Now we just need the license part.
That's Mom's deal. Has it got check engine lights and all that stuff on, or is the airbag light on? What was on?
I think so.
Gotta do an oil change, maybe some timing belts. I don't know. Somebody's replaced the motor. Junkyard motor. For $200 you can't beat it. The AC compressor's a little noisy. It runs nice and smooth.
That works.
That's the compressor's a little loud, but we can pick one of those up. Service engine soon, flat tire. No airbag code or anything?
I don't think so.
Horn works, turn signals work.
I don't think the horn works.
It might be disconnected.
Turn signals work.
We'll fix it. For $200 we got a lot of room for improvement.
Yeah, I'll need a horn to take the test and I'll take the new spot.
Anywho, we'll pull the headlights out, we'll redo those, and it'll be fun. Now I get to keep my Mustang too, so that's a plus. I like driving the old T-valve. I got some dirt track tires for my streetcar project, so those are pretty cool. I got to get those dismounted. Buddy of mine gave this to me. This rim's bent. He said it should hold. They should hold air, so we'll see. But those are nice and soft. Some Hoosiers. Oh, we're going from no light to no light. Here's today's project. Little hood job, hood and bumper. Hood and bumper. Bumper had a hole in it. And this hood, I can't believe I fixed this hood. I'm not, you know, this was smashed all the way back to here. It's aluminum. And it pounded out pretty good. One of the salesmen actually backed into this thing. So it's good for him because I thought I was going to have to buy a hood. It was all bowed up. I have some pictures of it on my phone. So it's pretty impressive that it came out. But anyway, that's what's going on with this bad boy. A little dry spot right there. Didn't hammer it enough to buff that a little bit. And we'll buff the hood, of course. So that's what's going on here today. Not a whole lot. Maybe tomorrow after I buff this, we'll roll the Mustang and get it painted. And then we'll be working on the Outlander. Go to the junkyard and pick up some panels. Try to pick up a door and a fender. And front bumper assembly or whatever is underneath there. I'll pull that off tomorrow and see. And we'll get that going for her. Anyway, just a little update. I think this is a much better car than the Mustang for a first car. Yeah, man, maybe we should just leave it like this. All wrecked.
No, I actually bought a car. Oh, wow. Paid $200 plus tax. Prime car.
She knows people. These things here are 50 bucks a piece.
It's my friend Haylee. She bought a car. She's like, are you messing with me? Are you messing with me? No. I think you're messing with me. No, I took some responsibility and bought a car.
Her dad got her a car.
Well,
I found it for you.
Yeah,
You didn't go find a car for $200.
I tried. It didn't work that way.
Yeah. Keep cleaning, girl.
I'm trying to do it.
Defunking.
I got my air fresheners for it.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Look at you. Got your sport utility?
Yeah. Need to clean this somehow. Get carpet shampoo or something.
No, you don't want to do that because the glue will come loose. Just get a magic eraser maybe and go over it. But this car's got one straight panel on it. It's this one.
Yes.
Maybe this one too. No, this door's got a dent.
Go get my license? Yeah. You're not gonna drive?
Yeah, that one's pretty hammered there. Could take it off and hammer it out, I guess. If I can't find the door, definitely could fix that fender. Anywho, I'm gonna let you guys go. Beautiful day here. No rain. Would have been a great day to paint something outside. But yeah, just a little update. A couple little blooms there for you. And until the next video, have a good one.